Hello students, in this video revision of chapter 1 globe of class 5 social studies is available, and in this chapter you will have to revise about the globe and its types and usage and the latitudes and longitudes, and at last you will have to know about grid. Now, all of you know that Earth is a unique planet and it provides habit to human beings, plants, and animals. And in early times, it is also believed that the earth is flat in shape. Okay, now come to the globe. What is globe? You can see here that globe is a true model of the earth and it is always mounted on an axis. A needle is fixed through the globe in a tilted manner. This is, you can see here, this is needle, and which is called its axis. Means a needle is fixed through the globe in a tilted manner, which is called its axis. Okay, and it is inclined at an angle of 66.5 degree, and the two ends of the axis are known as north pole and the south pole. Okay, this is north pole and in the bottom it is known as the south pole. And a globe may be of varying sizes. On the globe, countries, continents and oceans are shown in their correct size. Now you can see here the hemispheres. Okay, northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. It is northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Now you will have to know about what is northern hemisphere and what is southern hemisphere. Okay, now equator. First you will have to know about equator. You can see here equator, this line. Okay, this imaginary line means an imaginary line which divides the earth into two equal parts is known as equator. Okay, equator is an imaginary circle drawn around the globe exactly halfway between the poles. Okay, and the imaginary circle cuts the globe into two equal parts called the hemispheres. Now, the part of the globe which lies in the north of the equator is known as the northern hemisphere. Okay, it is known as the northern hemisphere, and the part which lies in the south is known as the southern hemisphere. Understood? Means the part of the globe which lies in the north of the equator is known as the northern hemisphere, while the part which lies in the south is called the southern hemisphere. Understood? Now you can see here the important lines of latitude. Okay, means what is latitude or what are latitudes? A set of imaginary circular lines drawn horizontally between the north pole and the south pole are called the parallels of the latitude. I repeat it. A set of imaginary circular lines drawn horizontally between the North Pole and the South Pole are called the parallels of the latitude. They run parallel to the equator and run in west-east direction. Okay, you can see here the parallels of the latitude. Now remaining part of this chapter we will revise in the next video. Okay, thank you.